Today I am going to teach you how to edit photo so that you can just focus on a single object in a photo and blur all other part with a black and white background. Let's download an app here. It's a Color Express. You download the app Color Express. uh, you can see here, this is the Color Express app. It's already downloaded in my device, so I can open it. Now you see, let's take an example of a photo from my device. Let's see an example. Okay, let's take this. Now see, this is a photo. We'll make a single flower focused with color and other all the background with black and white. This is a very interesting type of photo editing tool. Let's see. Okay, let's see this. Now the photo is full black and white. Now let's see what happens here. Let's focus on a single flower. You can make it single flower colorful like this. Okay, yes, you can even use eraser if the boundary goes outside, so that you can make. Now see, one of the flower is already made. Now let's make one another. Okay, let's make this flower red. You can just toss on the screen to make this flower to its original color, and all the other flowers will remain black and white. This type of photo will get a lot of hits on the social media these days. You can just erase the borders if extra borders are made. Okay, and the photo seems very interesting. You can just save the photo and share it on the social media. You can see now the photo is done editing. Just save the photo. Okay, this is the beautiful photo here. Thank you for watching.